Hello, and welcome. A famous English story, the story of Robin Hood. Today, we will hear the exciting story of Robin Hood, one of the most famous heroes in English history. Robin Hood is brave, clever, and kind. He lives in the forest with his friends. He fights against greedy people and helps poor families. This story is written in simple English, so you can improve your listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation while enjoying a famous legend. Let's begin. A hero is born. A long time ago in England, there was a young man named Robin Hood. Some people say Robin was born into a rich family. Others say he was only a simple man. Nobody knows the true story because Robin Hood lived many hundreds of years ago. But everyone agrees on one thing. Robin was honest. He loved nature, the green forests, and the animals. He was also the best archer in the country. An archer is a person who shoots arrows with a bow. Robin could hit a small target from a very long distance. People were amazed by his skill. England was changing. Life in England was difficult. King Richard, known as Richard the Lionheart, was fighting in faraway lands during the Crusades. While the king was away, his brother, Prince John, helped rule England. Prince John loved money. He raised taxes again and again. Poor farmers had little food. Many families lost their homes. The rich became richer. The poor became poorer. People were unhappy, but they were afraid to complain. The Sheriff of Nottingham. Prince John trusted one important man. His name was the Sheriff of Nottingham. The sheriff collected taxes from the people. He was cruel and greedy. If someone could not pay, the sheriff took everything. He took cows. He took horses. He took food. Sometimes, he even took people's homes. The sheriff became richer every year, while ordinary people became poorer. Robin could not watch this happen. Robin becomes an outlaw. One day, Robin was walking through the forest. He met some of the sheriff's soldiers. Nobody knows exactly what happened. Some stories say Robin defended himself after the soldiers attacked him. Other stories say he killed one of the sheriff's men by accident. Whatever happened, Robin became an outlaw. An outlaw is a person who is wanted by the law. The sheriff ordered his soldiers to capture Robin. But Robin escaped into Sherwood Forest. That forest became his new home. Life in Sherwood Forest. Sherwood Forest was huge. Tall trees covered the land. Birds sang every morning. Wild deer ran between the trees. Most people were afraid of the forest. Robin was not. He knew every path, every river, and every hidden place. Soon, other people joined him. They were honest men who had also suffered because of the sheriff. Together, they became known as the Merry Men. Little John. Robin's first great friend was Little John. His name was funny because he was actually very tall. He was much bigger than Robin. The two men first met on a narrow bridge. Neither wanted to move aside. Instead, they decided to fight with long wooden sticks. Little John knocked Robin into the river. Robin climbed out laughing. Instead of becoming enemies, they became best friends. Little John joined Robin's band. Friar Tuck and Wool Scarlet. More friends soon arrived. Friar Tuck was a cheerful monk. He enjoyed good food, good jokes, and helping people. He was stronger than he looked. Wool Scarlet was young, smart, and always dressed in bright red clothes. He was quick with both his sword and his mind. Together, Robin, Little John, Friar Tuck, Wool Scarlet, and many others became famous across England. Taking from the rich. Robin Hood had one simple rule. He would steal from greedy rich people. Then he would give the money to poor families. If a rich traveler treated people kindly, Robin often let them go without taking anything. But if someone was cruel or dishonest, Robin was ready. His arrows were fast. His plans were clever. His escape was always quicker than the sheriff's soldiers. The poor began to smile again. The golden arrow contest. The sheriff wanted to catch Robin. He had a clever idea. He organized a great archery competition in Nottingham. The winner would receive a beautiful golden arrow. The sheriff believed Robin could not resist entering. Robin knew it was a trap. Still, he loved archery. So he dressed in old clothes and covered his face. Nobody recognized him. One by one, the best archers missed the smallest target. Then Robin stepped forward. He pulled back his bow. The crowd became silent. His arrow flew through the air. It hit the center of the target perfectly. Everyone cheered. Robin won the golden arrow. Before the sheriff realized who he was, Robin disappeared into the forest. The sheriff was furious. Maid Marian. Robin had a special friend. Her name was Maid Marian. She was intelligent, brave, and kind. She believed Robin was helping innocent people. Sometimes she secretly brought food, medicine, and news from Nottingham. Robin and Marian cared deeply for each other. Whenever they met in the forest, they dreamed of a better England. One without fear. One without unfair taxes. One where everyone was treated equally. Robin outsmarts the sheriff. The sheriff never stopped trying to catch Robin. He sent soldiers into the forest many times. Every time, Robin escaped. Sometimes Robin dressed as a poor farmer. Sometimes as a traveling merchant. Sometimes even as a beggar. The sheriff never recognized him. Robin loved clever tricks. He often laughed after escaping. The sheriff did not laugh. He became angrier every year. Helping the poor. Robin's greatest joy was helping others. One cold winter, he found a family with no food. The children were hungry. Their father had lost his farm after paying impossible taxes. Robin quietly left bags of coins outside their door during the night. When the family woke up, they could hardly believe it. Soon, they had food again. They bought new clothes. Their children smiled once more. Stories like this spread across England. People began calling Robin Hood a hero. Prince John grows angry. Prince John heard many stories about Robin Hood. He was not pleased. Robin was making the sheriff look foolish. Prince John offered a large reward for Robin's capture. Many hunters searched the forest. Some wanted the reward. Others wanted fame. But Sherwood Forest protected Robin. His friends always warned him when danger came near. The return of King Richard. After many years away, King Richard finally returned to England. He traveled across his country. He listened to ordinary people. Again and again, they spoke about Robin Hood. Some called him a criminal. Many more called him a hero. King Richard wanted to discover the truth. So, according to some legends, he secretly visited Sherwood Forest. There he met Robin Hood. Robin welcomed the stranger with kindness, not knowing he was the king. The king saw Robin sharing food with poor people. He saw children laughing. He saw honest men trying to make England fair again. King Richard understood everything. Justice returns. King Richard punished many dishonest officials. The sheriff lost much of his power. Taxes became fairer. Life slowly improved. Some stories say Robin received a royal pardon. This meant he was no longer an outlaw. Other stories say Robin preferred to stay in Sherwood Forest because it was his true home. No one knows which story is true. Perhaps both are only legends. Robin's final days. Many years passed. Robin grew older. His hair turned grey. He was no longer the fastest archer. But people still respected him. His courage never disappeared. His kindness never changed. According to one famous legend, Robin became ill. He traveled to a monastery hoping to recover. Sadly, he became weaker. Before he died, Robin asked for his bow. With his last strength, he fired one final arrow into the sky. He asked to be buried where the arrow landed. Today, some people believe his grave still lies somewhere near Sherwood Forest. Whether this is true or not, nobody knows. Why Robin Hood still matters. Robin Hood has never been forgotten. Robin Hood's story has been told for more than 700 years. Books telling Robin Hood's story. Poems about Robin Hood. Films featuring Robin Hood. Television shows about Robin Hood. Cartoons inspired by Robin Hood. Even today, children and adults love Robin Hood. Why? Because he reminds us that courage is more powerful than fear. That kindness is stronger than greed. That one person can make a difference. Robin Hood was not perfect. He broke the law. But he believed that helping people was more important than becoming rich. That idea has inspired millions of people around the world. The end. So, was Robin Hood a real man? Historians are not sure. There may have been several people whose stories became one great legend. Or perhaps Robin Hood never existed at all. But sometimes, legends teach us important lessons. Robin Hood teaches us to be brave, to help people in need, to stand against unfairness, and to believe that even one good person can change the lives of many others. Thank you for listening to the story of Robin Hood. If you enjoyed this English story, don't forget to listen again. Each time you listen, your English will become stronger. See you in the next story, and don't forget to subscribe.